Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start managing human resources with BambooHR, beginner guide step by step clearly. Create an account on the BambooHR website. Visit the BambooHR homepage and click on Get Started. Fill out the required information, including your name, email, and company details. Choose a secure password for your account. Look for the confirmation email in your inbox and click the verification link. Log into your new BambooHR account using your email and password. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Take a moment to explore the main features available. Access the Employees tab to add team members. Click on Add Employee and fill in their details such as name, role, and contact information. Set up employee permissions to control what they can view and edit. Utilize the Time Off feature to manage employee leave requests. Customize your time-off policies according to your company's needs. Explore the Reports section to generate insights about your workforce. Create custom reports that are relevant to your HR strategy. Use the Documents feature to store important employee files securely. Upload documents like contracts, policies, and performance reviews for easy access. Set reminders for performance reviews and important HR tasks. Schedule regular check-ins with team members through the platform. Explore the Performance module to track employee goals and feedback. Familiarize yourself with the onboarding processes for new hires. Create a checklist of tasks to ensure a smooth transition for new employees. Reach out to BambooHR's support for any specific questions or challenges you encounter. Leverage community forums and resources for additional tips and best practices. Continue to learn and adapt as you integrate BambooHR into your daily HR operations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.